For example, this is the walnut. This is the black nut. This is the black. Here, black is pressed against a wall with a force F. Okay, once again I repeat the question. Black is pressed against a wall. Black says a action. Wall says a opposite reaction. This is normal reaction. Here, weight always vertically downwards. Body వదిలేస్తే ఏమైంది? It will be fall. It moving downward. That's why friction acting upward. Friction always due to surface, along the surface and opposite to the motion. Okay? This is explained by using duster. Look here. This is the black nut. This black is pressed. This black is pressed against the wall here by using here. Look here. By using apply force F. Leave. 920 ki pettu due to technical is pressed against a wall with a force F. Okay. Here the keyword in the problem, the condition is equilibrium. Equilibrium means all forces balance. Suppose forward force balances the backward force. Simply, what is the n value? F. Equation number 1. Upward force balances by the downward force. Simply, small f equal to mg. In the situation to determine coefficient of friction, Ahi Krishna, coefficient of friction denoted by mu. Coefficient of friction denoted by mu. Mu value is frictional force by normal reaction force. Here frictional force is, look here, mg. What is the value of n? Capital F. mg by capital F. Look here now. This is the coefficient of friction. Okay. What is the formula for coefficient of friction? Black is in equilibrium, mg by F. Here capital F is applied force. Because of applied force, black is at rest. Look here. This is the black. This black is pressed against a wall. This is the force F. Here, black, it will be leave, it will be falling down. That means friction act upward. Right down. Okay, look here, Nana. Next question, Nana. Here, this is the black nut. Pressed between two hands. Keyword in the problem, black, pressed between two hands. Look like here. This is the black nana, Ahi Krishna. This is the black. This black is pressed between the two hands in the situation. Here, in the previous situation, black is pressed against the wall. Here, This is the action. This is the reaction. Applied force is F in each hand. This is the normal reaction. Simply F equal to N. Equation number 1. Okay? Here now. In the situation, weight always vertically downwards. Block leaves it falling downward. Friction always act opposite. Friction always act opposite. Here two hands is there, two frictions are there. Okay? Here. According to Bloch's equilibrium, downward force equal to upward force. Simply, upward force is 2F, downward force is mg. Here also find coefficient of friction. Frictional force definition is mu into n. But equation 1, n value is F. Once again I repeat, F is mu n. Equation 1, n value is F. Here mg. What is the formula for coefficient of friction? Finally we get mg by 2F. Very important formula. This is coefficient of friction. Here block is pressed between two hands. Block is pressed against a wall. What is the formula for coefficient of friction? mg by capital F. Block is pressed between two hands. What is the formula for coefficient of friction? mg by 2F. Right now. Minimum force required to pull body moving upward, to pull the body moving upward. Minimum force required to pull the body moving upward. Look here. This is the walnut. This is the block. Here F be the force applied. F be the force applied on the block against the wall. Body says action, floor says opposite reaction. That is called normal reaction. In the situation, look here, look the board. This is the black nun. First here the force is applied. Here by using another finger, block moving upward. Look here. Here force is applied. Look here once again. This is the block. Here apply force. This is capital F. Here another finger use. Here block is moving upward. That means in the situation, here another force is applied. Block is moving upward. This is F dash. This is how much? The question is minimum force required to pull the body moving upward. In the situation, weight always vertically downwards. Weight always vertically downwards. Here the block is pulling upward, friction is opposite to the motion. In this situation, friction act downward. Here none, here. According to this situation, what is the value of n? F, equation number 1. Here the question is minimum force required. Simply upward force balances by downward force. According to diagram machine, Upward force is F dash, F dash. Downward force is 1 is weight. Here block pulling upward, friction act downward. Here what is the value of F dash? F dash is mg plus, here friction rate as mu into n. N value is F. This is the final question. The question is minimum force required to pull the block upward. What is the formula? mg plus mu f. Good. This is the lorry. Here lorry accelerated it. This is the lorry. Lorry accelerated it. Here a block is placed. A block is placed front side of the lorry. Block is placed. Block is placed front side of the lorry. Block is placed here, front side of the lorry. Okay, and block is kept equilibrium. This is the keyword. Or block kept rest. This is the keyword. In the situation to determine frictional force. Look here, Nana, this is the lorry, this is the block. How many bodies are there? 2 bodies are there. Lorry says what acceleration? A. One body accelerated. This total system is called non-inertial frame. In the situation, which force act? Pseudo force. Pseudo force act opposite to the original force. This is MA. Block says action. Front side of the lorry says opposite reaction. That is called normal reaction. In the situation, block is equilibrium. Forward force equal to backward force. This is the equation number 1. Okay, look here. Next one. Weight always vertically downwards. Okay, ఒకవేళ బ్లాక్ వదిలేస్తే ఏమైతే it will be fall downward. That means it moving downward, friction act upward. Friction always act opposite to the body. Simply equilibrium condition, frictional force is mg. This is the form. In the final exam, 1 year meet to determine the frictional. In the situation, frictional force formula is mg. For example, to determine the coefficient of friction annadam. Coefficient of friction formula, frictional force by normal reaction force. Equation 2 by equation 1. Frictional force is mg. This is ma. Here mm what? Cancel. Here what is the formula for coefficient of friction? Simply G by A. Important nana. What is the question? A block is placed in front of the lorry and lorry accelerated A. In the situation to determine the coefficient of friction. What is the formula for coefficient of friction? G by A.